So good morning and welcome to a freezing cold December, I think it's December the 21st today, a freezing cold AP Workshops. So basically today we are going to be prepping a number 19 RSVR SP, and yes it is an RSVR SP. I know one gentleman that was asking us on the Facebook page, is it an RSV SP or is it an RSVR SP? I checked. It's an RSVR SP. So number 19, a friend of ours, Rich, has bought the bike to put into his collection. So we're going through it now from top to bottom to basically make sure everything is okay. The bike's been recently serviced by somebody else, but I don't care, we're going through it again anyway. The tyres on it were from 2007, so they're going. They're dead, absolutely dead. If you're not sure on how to go and check how old your tyres are, then you can go and have a quick look on another one of the films that we do on the YouTube channel. That'll tell you how to go about doing that. So we're going to go through it from top to bottom, and I'm not sure how this is going to go yet or anything along those lines, because like I said, we've not been through the bike, but stay with us and let's see what it does. By the way, Rich, the bike's beautiful, mate. Good luck. Okay, so stay with us and let's see what we can do. So welcome back to AP Workshops, welcome back to the SP, number 9, hashtag number 19 SP build. So at this particular point in time, we've got to the point where we've actually had to change the tyres. So we've gone for some M7 RRs because we really dig the M7 RRs on this one. And we've had a conversation with Rich, the guy who's bought the bike, and he was quite happy for us to go down that line, that's no problems. We are now, obviously we've got fresh air filters, we're going to put a fresh set of plugs in. So just have a quick look. So standard cylinder heads, if you have a quick look, standard cylinder heads, this is a single plug head right here. So basically the single plug runs down to the centre of the cylinder head on one of these, same on the rear. On the standard, it's a twin plug head. So if you have a look at the twin plug heads on the side on the standard V990 engine, because this is obviously the engine that was developed by Cosworth, so this is slightly different. If you have a quick look at the other videos that we've done on SPs, you can see the difference with what was going on with them, the similarities, which is quite interesting as well. So like I said, have a quick look on the side of the frame, you can see the frame cutouts. The frame cutouts here were where the normal coil packs would sit. But just here, this is obviously, because it's a single plug head, slightly different scenario. Now this is the coil pack here. So if you have a look, there's the two wires which basically activate the low tension side. There's obviously the HT side. That's for the front cylinder, that one's for the rear cylinder. But the throttle bodies are exactly the same. So, fascinating stuff. We're going to continue on, keep going. We've got some oils and filters to do yet. We're going to have to change those plugs. We're going to go through it as promised. We'll just keep pushing. So we'll be back in a little bit. So welcome back for another little update. What I wanted to talk to you about was the tank. Obviously the tank looks the same on the SP version, but it is actually a handmade tank. It's a handmade aluminium tank, which is slightly different. So if you have a quick look, you can tell the difference by running your finger down the actual side. Now normally that would be like one piece, but this is a hand formed tank. So if you have a look, if you wanted to find out whether this is an SP tank or not, if you can't open the gas cap, obviously clearly you can see if it's a difference on the gas cap, but you can run your fingers down the edge, you can feel that there's a well down inside. And if you have a look at the way it's been built inside, obviously it's not quite as sort of well standard shaped as the old normal one. So it is, so like I said, the whole idea is to try and make this cavity on the underside of the tank slightly bigger with these engines. Bit that actually makes a difference obviously is if you can make the capacity of the airbox bigger, the engine has got a larger capacity of cold air to work, or cold pressurized air to work with. So that's another quick way of being able to tell whether you've got an SP or a genuine SP or not. Right, another little nerdy thing, because I know the people love a little bit of nerd and it makes me feel like I'm a proper horror bag nerd, but I love these little detail things, they're brilliant. So the SP, the Edwards replica and the Tuono, oh sorry, not the Tuono, the SP and the Edwards replicas. I'm not sure about a Haga replica just yet, but if you have a quick look, they had a very unique screen. Now, we've actually measured this. So the screen, if you have a look at it, is slightly thinner. It's thinner, if you go, by 0.5 of a millimetre than the standard screen, and it has a detachable edge on it. The reason it has a detachable edge on it was because that means the bike could actually pass homologation regulations. In order for us to be able to get a bike through homologation, you can't have any sharp edges. They all must be radiused. So if you have a look at this, this is just designed to be, because it's race bike, it's just designed to be taken off. So this screen is a lot thinner. Let me just take it, in fact, if you want to come for a quick walk over here, I'll show you. So the R that we've got over here, the nitrous bike, is basically, this is a standard screen. So if you have a quick look, it's a lot thicker, and it's actually got the moulding on it is kind of moulded part of it. So this edge here is designed not to be taken off. So it's a lot thicker, a lot stronger, a lot heavier, but the SP version is, like I said, it's half a millimetre thinner. So another little bit of nerdy information for you. Right, another unique part of the SP makeup is the spark plugs that they use. So because the spark plugs are so small and because of the location, what they use is a very, very small and unique spark plug. This is what's known as a surface discharge spark plug. So if you have a quick look, and what we'll do here is we'll pop up a little photograph of it, so a little still so you can see what's going on. About here. And welcome back. So what we've got is basically, if you imagine, there'd normally be like an earth strap or a little earth part on the which is where the spark would jump across, but there isn't any on this one. So this is what's known as a surface discharge spark plug. So that's it, she's all done. Number 19 SP is all done. We've gone through her from top to bottom to make sure this is absolutely safe. She is beautiful. I would be absolutely stoked to be able to keep this one, but unfortunately, she's got to go. So Rich, nice one, mate. Thank you very much. We're not going to ride this one. I think it's just too beautiful, and the weather out there is absolutely grotty at the moment. So we've already got road test videos out there. If you wanted to have a look at how the difference runs between SPs, let us know. Drop a little comment in the messages below if you wanted to, and we can sort of make sure we can point that at you. So thanks very much to Rich, I really appreciate it, mate. This is an absolutely beautiful bike and you're a very lucky guy, so well done. Basically, if you want to get in touch with us about any sales bikes, any technical information you want to, V4, V-twin product, no problems whatsoever, we can help you. You can contact us via email at sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can get in touch with us via all manner of social media, no problems whatsoever. You can have a quick look on our website, www.apworkshops.co.uk. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take care of yourselves. Speak to you soon.